hold this.
Yes, no problem.
I hold, you start.
Okay.
Because you won't find the trouble.
Yes, no. Do you have a problem? Mga ka-MG dyan. I found the trouble, ha? The customer said, okay, tell it. Well, what is the trouble of your
The
car?
trouble it was while I'm starting the engine, the car will not start. From
Okay.
the first time, it will take many times. I need to press fuel and start the engine many times. Then the car will start again.
Okay, now we will check, ha? Okay.
I will try.
Okay, try to start the car. Okay. And now start. As you can see, they go off.
Will you try again?
Try again. And the engine is vibration. And see, they
Go
off
ahead.
again. Okay. Now, we need to change the air and fuel mixture. This one. Okay.
I will hold this for you.
Hold it. Ah. This is the problem,
This is the old one,
the old one.
and he thought that this is the main issue.
I have this.
We will swap it.
Yeah.
We take it from another car
From
to
another
check.
car, from the new car. Okay. Going to one. Okay.
Now we will try to start the engine again. Can you hold it?
I will load it for you. Okay. Ayan na, i-start na ng Saudi. Okay. See? Oh!
Back to normal.
Back to normal.
You are a good boy. Good man. You have good brain. You are amazing.
See? They have no engine light. And before, they have engine light. And the engine is off.
Now, how we can turn this screen? We cannot?
Turn it the screen.
No need, no need.
No need.
Now we're gonna install this sensor, and we don't care about the other car. Right?
I think so. See? Okay. I will start again. Okay. Start again. See? Everything's normal. Okay. Ayan. Tatanggalin na natin ulit. Okay. Going to remove again.
We will return it back because we are not thief.
Yes.
This is not good job. We will wait until the new part come, then we will change it.
Yes.
This guy is amazing. The best one working in MG.
See, after replacing the old one, this is the old one.
Yes.
Yes.
The same issue.
Ayan. Nakuha na natin ang trouble. Ang reklamo ng customer. Pagka ini-start daw niya, ayun nga, nagbabibrate tapos namatay ang makina. So ngayon nakuha na natin yung trouble. At madalian lang yung pag-diagnose natin. Okay. Okay, hanggang dito lang ako. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, hit nyo lang yung bell button para lagi kayong updated. Mag-subscribe na kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Okay? Ayan mga kagrads ko, sana magustuhan nyo ang aking video. Sa mga bago pa lang, nakakapanood ng aking video, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button para updated kayo.